Hello everyone, let us create a very interesting equation and see how we can solve it. I would like my final answer to be x equal to 9 and y equal to 4. I'm going to form a system of equations. Let's start with the first one. I would like the first one to be the square root of x plus the square root of y. Then the second one should be x minus y. Square root of x is the same thing as square root of 9. And square root of 9 is 3. Square root of y is square root of 4, which is 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is equal to 5. X minus y will be 9 minus 4, which is, equal to 5, the same thing. So we have just established two equations. So how can we solve these two equations? So let's see how we can do that. Already, x and y are all positive numbers where x is greater than y, remember. So I can write the second equation as the square root of x whole squared. This is the same thing as x, right? Minus the square root of y also squared. I know that this is 5. It will remain equal to 5 because square root of x squared minus square root of y squared is the same thing as x minus y, which is equal to 5. But how do we factorize this? This is a difference of two squares. You take the first term without power. You add the second one without power. Then you multiply the first one minus the second one. So 5 is equal to, already we know that this is 5 from this equation. But square root of x plus square root of y is also equal to 5 from here. So this is 5 multiplied by the square root of x minus square root of y. If you divide both sides by 5, you can see that square root of y, square root of x minus square root of y is equal to 1. Yes, by dividing both sides by 5. So let me drop down my first equation. My first equation is square root of x plus square root of y equal to 5. So let's add these two equations together. This will give us 2 root x. This will give us 0. This will give us 6. Now to find x, we can divide both sides by 2 and square both sides. The moment you divided both sides by 2, you have square root of x equal to 3. You square both sides, you have x equal to 9. So x equals to 9. My first solution. So how can we find the second one? I think you can subtract. This minus this will give us 0. This minus this will give us negative 2 root y equal to this minus this is negative 4. If you divide both sides by negative 2, you have square root of y to be positive 2 because negative 4 divided by negative 2 is positive 2. Then you square both sides, you have y equal to 2, as simple as that. So sorry. If you divide both sides by negative 2, you have positive 2. You square both sides, you have 4. So y is equal to 4. So you remember I started with x equal to 9 and y equal to 4. We are able to retrieve them back. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.